Imagine a snake so big it could swallow a crocodile whole. That's Titanoboa, an extinct snake that ruled the ancient world. Titanoboa lived 60 million years ago, long after the dinosaurs died out. This giant snake shows us how life on Earth can change over time. Fossils tell us that Titanoboa could grow over 40 feet long. It was the largest snake to ever slither across our planet. Titanoboa lived in the hot, humid swamps of what is now Colombia, South America. This giant predator was at the top of the food chain. It ate fish, turtles, and even giant crocodiles. The discovery of Titanoboa fossils changed how we think about ancient ecosystems. Imagine the size and diversity of life back then. What if Titanoboa was alive today? It would be a scary thought. Imagine a snake this big living in the Amazon rainforest. It would be a threat to animals and humans. Catching and studying a Titanoboa would be very dangerous. But it could also teach us a lot about our planet's past. Titanoboa wouldn't survive easily in today's world. The climate and habitats have changed a lot. It would have a hard time finding enough food to survive. Plus, humans would probably hunt it down. Even though Titanoboa is extinct, its story reminds us that life is always changing, and it shows us the amazing power of nature.